Buenos días. Voy a separar mis dos explicaciones en dos videos. Que primero vamos a repasar el verbo ir, que significa en inglés to go. Y las formas son yo voy, tú vas, él, ella, usted va, nosotros o nosotras vamos, ellos, ellas, ustedes van. By the nature of the verb to go, you're either going to a place or you're going to do something. Okay? Those are the two most common uses of the verb to go. And the same thing applies with the verb ir. You have ir a un destino, como voy al supermercado, ella va a la piscina. Notice that the definite article is used. When it is singular and masculine, the a and the l contract to al. Okay, so voy al supermercado. But if it's a feminine or if they're plurals, then they stay separate words, like ella va a la piscina. Now we can also use this to indicate a future action, like going to do something. Ir a, verbo o actividad, es para decir en el futuro, como voy a comprar un sándwich. So I'm going to buy a sandwich. Ella va a nadar y tomar el sol. Notice when we have two activities, we don't have to repeat the va a. Okay, so ella va a nadar y va a tomar el sol. Okay, so that's a way of indicating the future. Okay, in class, we're going to do some practice exercises with both ir a destino and ir a verbo o actividad.